Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do Goldie Box Spoilers video 2, so 5 through 8 for spring 2025. I'm gonna rush through this. Like I said, I have crazy life things going on. I've not been able to get to these videos. I still don't know if customization will be the first day of spring, which is March 20th. We have our fingers crossed, but I still have one more video to edit and get out and update the website and all the things. So I'm feeling like it might be delayed now, but we'll see. This is the 5th item. So if you missed video 1 through 4, I will post a link in the description down below so you can get to that video as well. The 5th item are these beaded hoop earrings. They're super lightweight and they're gonna come in these 2 different colors. So the first one is this like black, gold, and white. I've been wearing these. They're a little bit more like classic, match everything. And then I wanted some with some really spring vibes. So these are a couple different colors of teal, gold, and white. Or is there white? It might just be gold. No. So light teal, dark teal, and then gold beads as well. Super cute, super lightweight, really easy on the ears. So I think they'd also be really good for sensitive ears. I don't necessarily have sensitive ears, but I didn't even notice that this was in my ear for some reason. It does have an interesting, like it has this hook closure, so you'll put it in your ear like that and then you'll hook it in, which I didn't think was that user-friendly if I'm being perfectly honest, but like having kind of a straighter ear thing to me just makes it much quicker to put it in. But once they were in, they were very secure. And then it also has this rubber backing. These are nickel free. Actually, let me put them on right now so that you could see the size when they're on. So here we have it on my head. And like I said, I had them on all day and then forgot that I had them on. I went to bed and then I felt them and I was like, oh, my earrings are still on. So I wasn't even noticing the feel of them. And sometimes at the end of the day, you feel your earrings. So I was like, oh, these would be perfect, because I really think I've had some people comment below, like in my comments, that they have an issue with, like, are they comfortable? These are so comfortable I didn't even notice I went to sleep with them on. For the 6th item, I have, let's do our family-friendly item next. So this is a little kit. It is a break your own geodes kit. So if you have a rock kid or anything like that, they look like this in the box. They look like rocks. And I don't know if people know what geodes are or don't know what geodes are. I didn't know they were called geodes, even though I always knew of them. You will need a hammer, so adult supervision required. It says 8 and older. And you're just gonna put one of these little geodes inside this bag, lightly tap it with a hammer, and you're gonna break it open and get these like really pretty kind of crystalled formationed insides. And so each bag comes with, and this says all of them include 5 geodes. Use your hammer and break open. There's 5 Moroccan geodes, the instruction guide, which is here, and then the cotton drawstring bag that you will put the rock in before you hit it with the hammer. So when it breaks, it's breaking inside. And it says 8 and older. I don't know if your kid is actually using that. I don't have children, so I don't know if your kid's actually using the hammer, if they're just watching you use the hammer. Probably depends on what age they are, but it is really cool to break them open. I've been having fun breaking them open. So that is our family-friendly item. So fun to do and then pretty to display once you see them all broken up. Next in this category, I have a skincare item, again from Earth Harbor, which I was so happy to get to include for the first time in my box. Last box. So they were, you know, willing to work with me and do a couple products. So we got a second product here. This is Ahoy Love, which is a Milky cleanser. So it's really nourishing. It has seaweed in it, which is really full of vitamins, antioxidants. It also has green tea, some more antioxidants there. And it's really a creamy pink color and creamy texture. So pretty good for sensitive skin. It does have AHAs in it, which are exfoliating, but I still find it to be like sensitive skin friendly. Let me try to get this out here. So there was actually, this is a brand new bottle. The one I had before was a tester, and there was a lot of air in here. So you might have to squish it a few and like maybe shake it around, move it around to get it out. I did not have a problem with the tester, but it didn't have this type of pump. So fair warning now, this is my first time using the pump. Probably should have tried that before the video, but like I said, we're rushing. We are super behind this time. And yeah, it has a really lightweight, silky, like gentle exfoliation feel, but I feel like it caused some really good brightening, probably from that exfoliation from the AHAs. So the AHAs are botanical AHAs. Green tea, like I said, it has a really good scent to it. It also had, I think, hibiscus in it. I want to say that. I don't know. I tried multiple at the time that I got this. Yes, hibiscus flower in here as well, and eucalyptus. So that's kind of the scent profile. Super noticeable for me, at least, the brightening effect that it had after. So I had really like spring-like skin, dewy, pretty bright skin, and you can use it day and night. Very mild, so can be used twice, not super drying. Actually, I find it to be nourishing and moisturizing, so you're getting some benefits back in. And that is, let me leave it out of the box for the end screen. Ahoy Love from Earth Harbor. They are vegan, cruelty-free, all the things, like all the positive things. They also give back to 1% for the planet, which means that they are supporting environmental causes with 1% of their profit. I know I'm speeding through this video, so if you have questions, put them in the comments and I will try to get back to them. I normally give a little bit more detail, but I'm trying to get the videos out, so it's just it's a interesting time of the year for me. The last item is from LIB New York. This is, I've actually debated whether to put this in the summer box or the spring box because it has a very useful summer application, but I think it also has a useful spring application because I used it as a spring item myself. So I took it camping. This is a bag that unfolds. You pull this out and it unfolds into a towel, which you can use going to the lake, going camping, which I did in the spring. And so last year I tried to decide, do I want this in summer because it's pool, beach application, or do I want it in spring? And so I figured if I put it in spring, you get it for both seasons. It's really easy to put it back in the bag. You just flip it back in, and I stuff other things in the bag. So I put my sunscreen in here, my phone in here. So when I go to the beach, I don't even have to carry a purse because it's like 2-in-1. My purse turns into my towel. So I love the print. This is the only option in print that you have. I like it because it's just like kind of simple, but yeah. If it's not your style, there are 11 other items. I did debate trying to get more than one print, but I figured I have too many other things that are going to come into, like the candles and the earrings, that it made more sense for me inventory-wise, and now I'm really glad I did that just because of the amount of time I am able to commit to this right now is less. So I'm obsessed. It is pretty drying. I would say like no more than a normal towel. It's not like any special towel material or anything like that. It is machine washable. I've washed it, and it's really just a convenience factor of having a little bag with you. And then even when you have it laid out on the beach, this pouch is inside out still, so you could still put things inside of it so your stuff isn't getting sandy or anything like that. So you have this extra little pocket too. This side's just plain white. And this side has the beautiful decoration. Those are your second set of 4 items. Hurry up and edit this video so that I can get it out to you as soon as possible and then start working on the last video. Fingers crossed. I will keep you guys posted as things progress, but I'm hoping. We're still hoping. We're still trying. Thank you guys so much for your patience. You guys are always so patient with me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item is. Are you interested in any of them? What's your least favorite? Sure, I'll take any feedback you want to give. Let me know down in the comments below. Comments help the channel out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!